सभी बच्चों को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं रोजी छाबड़ा, पीजीटी बायोलॉजी, जीजीएचएस हसनपुर तावड़ू नू से आज हम क्लास 11th में एनिमल किंगडम में फर्दर फाइलम्स की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को स्टडी करेंगे। जैसे हमने इनसे पहले दो पार्ट्स में सबसे पहले ये जाना था कि एनिमल किंगडम में किन बेसिस के ऊपर हम ऑर्गेनिजम्स को क्लासिफाई करते हैं। और वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, सिमेट्री, डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट, जर्म लेयर, बॉडी कैविटी, सेगमेंटेशन एंड नोटोकॉर्ड। और फिर सेकेंड पार्ट में हमने फाइलम पॉरीफेरा से एस्केलेमेंथीज के ऑर्गेनिजम्स के जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को स्टडी किया था। तो हम एक बार उनका एक रिकैप करते हैं। In phylum Porifera, organisms have cellular level of organization. They are asymmetric. Digestive tract is absent. Germ layers they are diploblastic organisms. Body cavity, segmentation and notochord are absent. Phylum Coelenterata, they have tissue level of organization, radial symmetry. Digestive tract is incomplete, diploblastic, acoelomates. Segmentation and notochord are absent. Phylum Ctenophora, they have tissue level of organization, radial symmetry, digestive tract complete, germ layers, they are diploblastic organisms, again acoelomates, and segmentation and notochord are absent. Phylum Platyhelminths, they have organ system level of organization, bilateral symmetry, incomplete digestive tract, triploblastic organisms, acoelomates, and segmentation and notochord are absent. Phylum Aschelominthes, organ system level of organization, bilateral symmetry, digestive tract complete, triploblastic organisms, pseudocoelomates, and segmentation and notochord absent. So we will now move further on, जिसमें हम आज फाइलम एनालिडा से हेमिकॉर्डेटा तक ऑर्गेनिजम्स की कैरेक्टर्स को स्टडी करेंगे। फाइलम एनालिडा, organisms of this phylum are terrestrial or aquatic. They may be free living and some are parasitic. Their body is divided into segments or metameres by ring-like grooves, the annuli, and these features give them name Annelida. मीन्स कि इनकी बॉडी जो है वो सेगमेंट्स में बटी होती है, जो कि इनकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है, जिससे इन ऑर्गेनिजम्स को पहचाना जा सकता है दैट दीज बिलोंग टू फाइलम Annelida. Organisms are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic and coelomates, and they have organ level of organization. Anterior end of the body often forms distinct head, means इनमें सिफेलाइजेशन स्टार्ट हो गया है, और इस डिस्टिंक्ट हेड में सेंस ऑर्गन्स भी प्रेजेंट होते हैं। दे पोजेस लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एंड सर्कुलर मसल्स विच हेल्प इन लोकोमोशन। एक्वेटिक एनालिड्स लाइक नेरीज जो है दे पोजेस लेटरल अपेंडेजेस विच आर नोन एज पैरापोडिया विच हेल्प देम इन स्विमिंग। Respiration occurs through body surface. Closed circulatory system is present. Blood is red with hemoglobin dissolved in the plasma. This gives them red color. Then their digestive system is complete and extends through the whole body. I hope आपको याद है कि complete digestive system जो है इसकी दो openings होती हैं. One is mouth and the other one is anus. Excretory system consists of coiled tubule, the metanephridia, which also help in osmoregulation, means maintaining balance of water and solutes in the body. The nervous system includes circumcentric nerve rings and a solid double mid-ventral nerve cord with ganglia. And sense organs like tentacles, palps, eyes may be present. Reproduction sexes may be separate, like Nereis. In Nereis, male and female organisms are found. or sexes may be united like in earthworm. Both reproductive organs are present in one organism. Organisms reproduce sexually. Regeneration is a common characteristic of annelids. Then some common examples of annelids are earthworms, leech and nares. Unique features of this phylum are metameric segmentation, metanephridia for excretion and osmoregulation, closed circulatory system with respiratory pigment dissolved in the plasma. Phylum Arthropoda. It is the largest phylum of Animalia which include insects. Organisms are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic with organ level of organization. Body is covered with thick chitinous cuticle forming an exoskeleton. So in these organisms, exoskeleton of chitin is found. They have 3 pairs of jointed appendages. Again, a characteristic feature of phylum Arthropoda that they have joint appendages, because arthro means joint and podos means foot. So they get their name Arthropoda from this characteristic of theirs, that कि उनके जो appendages हैं वो jointed है, जुड़े हुए हैं. They are segmented externally to varying degrees. मतलब इनमें भी सेगमेंटेशन देखा जाता है, और सेगमेंटेशन भी 2 सेगमेंट्स भी हो सकते हैं बॉडी के, लाइक उनका थोरेक्स और हेड रीजन मिला के बना लेता है सिफेलोथोरेक्स एंड एब्डोमेन, एंड मे बी दे हैव 3 सेगमेंट्स. जैसे आपने एंड्स या हनी बीज देखी होंगी, उनकी बॉडी 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है, हेड, थोरैक्स एंड एब्डोमेन, राइट. The anterior part of the body forms a distinct head. Again, जो anterior part है body का वो एक distinct head बनाता है, जिसमें well developed sense organs present होते हैं, और वो sense organs simple eyes भी हो सकती हैं, compound eyes भी हो सकती हैं, antenna भी हो सकता है. Body cavity is around the viscera. Viscera क्या होते हैं? Soft internal organs को हम viscera कहते हैं. So body cavity around the viscera contains blood and is called hemocoel, and digestive tract is complete and has striated muscles. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं इनका digestive tract भी complete होता है and it has striated muscles. Respirations occur through body surface. मतलब जनरली जो respiration है वो body surface से होता है, और उसके अलावा कुछ स्पेशल स्ट्रक्चर्स भी प्रेजेंट हैं, जैसे कि गिल्स हैं या ट्रेकिया या बुक लंग्स. सो ये स्पेशल रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन्स या स्ट्रक्चर्स भी इन ऑर्गेनिजम्स में मिलते हैं. कौन से? गिल्स, ट्रेकिया एंड बुक लंग्स. सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम इज ओपन टाइप. ब्लड फ्लोज इन hemocoel इंस्टेड ऑफ ब्लड वेसल्स. जैसे हमने पहले भी पढ़ा था कि जो ओपन टाइप ऑफ ब्लड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम होता है उसमें ब्लड वेसल्स का कोई क्लोज नेटवर्क नहीं होता जिसके अंदर ब्लड फ्लो करता है. ब्लड जो है वो बॉडी कैविटी में फ्लो करने लग जाता है, राइट, या खाली स्पेसेस में. सो इन ऑर्गेनिजम्स ऑफ फाइलम आर्थ्रोपोडा ओपन सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम इज फाउंड. The blood called hemolymph is colorless and contains white corpuscles. Excretory system consists of anterior or green glands opening directly to exterior or Malpighian tubules in opening in the gut. मीन्स आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि जो डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट है उसी में एक जगह पे इनके Malpighian tubules जो है वो कनेक्टेड होते हैं, तो जो कोई भी वेस्ट है वो डायरेक्टली गट के अंदर डाल देते हैं. Nervous system has dorsal brain with ventral nerve cord. They have dorsal brain and उसमें से एक लंबी सी ventral nerve cord निकलती है जिसमें segmental ganglias प्रेजेंट होते हैं, जहाँ से nerves बॉडी के अंदर जाती हैं. They are dioecious organism, means कि मेल्स और फीमेल्स सेपरेट होते हैं. फर्टिलाइजेशन इंटरनल है एंड दे आर मोस्टली ओविपेरस. ओविपेरस ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं विच ले एग्स. डेवलपमेंट मे बी डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट. यूनिक फीचर्स ऑफ दिस फाइलम आर jointed appendages modified for varied functions, tough exoskeleton of chitinous plates, trachea for respiration in majority of cases, compound eyes in most forms, Malpighian tubules for excretion in majority of cases, power of flight in most insects. Many insects release pheromones into the environment. Phylum Mollusca. Phylum Mollusca includes mussels, oysters, snails, slugs, squids, and cuttlefish. They may be terrestrial or aquatic. These organisms are triploblastic with bilateral symmetry and coelomates. They have organ level of organization. Body is covered with calcareous shell and is unsegmented with a distinct head, which contains sense organs like tentacles and muscular foot and visceral hump containing organ systems. Coelom is greatly reduced. Digestive tract is complete. Buccal cavity often contains a rasping organs called radula with transverse rows of teeth, which helps in capturing food, and anus opens in the mental cavity. Like you can see, they have a distinct head, visceral mass in the hump and foot, right? Apart from this, इसके अलावा आप देख सकते हैं कि मेंटल और विसरल मास के बीच में जो खाली जगह होती है उसे हम कहते हैं मेंटल कैविटी. ओके, एंड इनके माउथ के अंदर एक स्पेशल पार्ट पाया जाता है जिसे रेड्यूला कहते हैं, जिसमें ट्रांसवर्सली टीथ अरेंज होते हैं, एंड they have a complete digestive tract, means it has two openings, mouth and anus. Respiration takes place by gills called ctenidia located in the mental cavity. तो जैसे आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं, ये जो gills हैं जिन्हें ctenidia कहते हैं वो mental cavity में located होते हैं, which are the respiratory organs. Circulation system is open type. It includes dorsal pulsative heart and few arteries that open into sinuses. Blood contains copper containing blue respiratory pigment called hemocyanin. Excretory system. It includes one or two pairs of sac-like kidneys which open into mental cavity. Nervous system consists of three paired ganglia. Sensory organs include eyes, statocysts for equilibrium. Reproduction. Sexes are separate. Reproductive organs have ducts. Means जो reproductive organs होते हैं उन्हें हम gonads भी कहते हैं. Fertilization can be external or internal. Organisms are oviparous, means they are egg laying with indirect development. It is the second largest animal phylum and largest invertebrate, means के invertebrates के जितने भी phylums हैं उनमें जो सबसे बड़ा invertebrate है वो इसी phylum में पाया जाता है, and that is Archaeopteryx or giant squid. Unique features of this phylum are three body regions: head, visceral mass and foot, mental cavity with anal, excretory and genital apertures in it, calcareous shell around the body in most of the cases, a rasping organ, the radula, in the buccal cavity. Phylum Echinodermata. General characters of this phylum are: organisms are exclusively marine. They may be star-like, cylindrical, melon-like, disc-like or flower-like. Bodies unsegmented. These are triploblastic and coelomates, and echinoderms have organ system level of organization. Symmetry is radial in adults, means कि जो adult forms होते हैं उनकी body symmetry है radial, and in larva their symmetry is bilateral. They have peculiar tube feet, which are also known as podia, which are developed for locomotion, means कि उनको movement में help करते हैं tube feet. Animals have endoskeleton. अब देखिए इनका जो body skeleton वो body के अंदर है, so it is known as endoskeleton, which is made up of calcareous ossicles and hence the name Echinodermata. Digestive system is complete with mouth on the lower ventral surface and anus on the upper dorsal surface. Circulatory system is greatly reduced and is of open type. No excretory organs are present. नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट जो इनकी बॉडी में बनते हैं वो गिल्स और ट्यूब फ्लूइड के थ्रू बॉडी से बाहर डिफ्यूज कर दिए जाते हैं. नर्वस सिस्टम इंक्लूड्स अ नर्व रिंग and radial nerves and radial nerve cords. Distinctive feature of echinoderms is the presence of water vascular system. It is a modified part of coelom. It is also called ambulacral system. It consists of seawater filled canals and certain corpuscles. This water vascular system is helpful in locomotion, capture of food, transport of food and respiration. Reproduction. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. Life history includes ciliated, bilaterally symmetrical larvae. Unique features of this phylum are bilateral symmetry in larva and radial symmetry in the adult. Mesodermal endoskeleton of calcareous plates, usually spines. Modification of a part of the coelom into a water vascular system for aid in locomotion, which also helps in capturing prey as well as respiration. Characteristics: tube fit for locomotion. Phylum Hemichordata. General characters. This phylum consists of small group of worm-like marine animals with organ system level of organization. They are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic and coelomate animals. ये जो organisms थे इन्हें पहले phylum Chordata में एक सब phylum के फॉर्म में रखा गया था, बट लेटर ऑन फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशंस के बाद इन्हें नॉन कॉर्डेट्स के अंडर एक सेपरेट फाइलम में रख दिया गया. Their body is divided into three parts: proboscis, collar and trunk, and their body is cylindrical. Digestive system is complete. Circulatory system is of open type, means कि जो circulatory system है वो open है, closed नहीं है. Blood जो है वो body cavity में भी flow करता है. Blood is colorless and without corpuscles. It consists of dorsal heart and two main longitudinal vessels. One is dorsal blood vessel and another one is ventral blood vessel, interconnected by small lateral vessels and sinuses. Excretory system. It comprises of a proboscis gland or glomerulus situated in the proboscis and connected with blood vessels. Reproduction. Sexes may be separate or united. Fertilization may be external or internal. Development is indirect. Examples: Balanoglossus. Quiz time. Question number 1. The excretory units of Annelida are options: uriniferous tubules, flame cells, nephridia, nephrostome. Correct answer is nephridia. Question number 2. In arthropods, exoskeleton is options: softened, flexible, hardened and inflexible, softened and flexible. Right answer is hardened and flexible, and their exoskeleton is made up of chitin. Question number 3. Which of the following phylum includes coelomate and unsegmented organisms? Options are Annelida, Mollusca, Chordata, Arthropoda. Right answer is Mollusca. Question number 4. The largest invertebrate is Options are octopus, loligo, sepia, architethys. Right answer is architethys, which is also known as giant squid. Question number 5. The locomotory organ of echinoderms are called. Options: parapodia, pseudopodia, tube feet, satia. Right answer is tube feet, which is a part of their water vascular system. Question number 6. Dash is an example of hemichordata. Options are Balanoglossus, starfish, echinus, dogfish. करेक्ट आंसर इज बेलेनोग्लोसस। आज का ये सेशन यही एंड होता है। थैंक यू।